Hello everyone. So I am going to start a new course on LaTeX, a document preparation system. So in this course I will discuss all the concept related to LaTeX, and as you can see, what is LaTeX? LaTeX is a high quality typesetting system. It includes feature designed for the production of technical and scientific documentation. It is the de facto standards for the communication and publication of scientific documents. So with the help of LaTeX, you can create articles, you can create scientific documents, you can create articles, you can create books, and it is a typesetting program. With the help of this, you can generate quality documents, and it is also very strong when working with the mathematical symbols. So for that LaTeX, I will use this overleaf.com, and it provides you the LaTeX facilities online. It is an online LaTeX editor. You can go to this website and you can use the LaTeX and you can generate the documents without installing any software. So you can create LaTeX documents easily and quickly with the help of overleaf.com. It can provide you the option for writing beautiful and highly customized documents. You can create complex equation tables more. You can use mathematical symbols. You can manage footnotes, references, bibliographies, and it also provides you the descriptive error messages for troubleshooting, and all your data is already automatically saved in the LaTeX. For that you just go to overleaf.com and then create a new project, and you can see this is the official website of overleaf.com, and here you will write the document, and you will see the preview of your generated document here. So with the help of LaTeX, you can quickly generate any type of article, any type of document, and you can save, you can download the PDF from here, and it will also show you the error messages here. So it's very easy to create LaTeX document, and you can delete your file, you can create new folder, you can rename the file from the here. So it provides you all these facilities online. So let's start using using LaTeX. So LaTeX, for every LaTeX document has mainly three components. So in this course I will cover all the concepts, all the different concepts related to LaTeX course in detail. So first of all, LaTeX document has three main components. That one is the document class, second is the begin document, and third is the end document. So let's start. So document class, you will use it also provides you the suggestions as you can see on the screen. Let me zoom. So document class, and here you can use any of the option: article, beamer, book, letter, report. For right now I will use article. So document class is article, and then begin document. So I will use I will use begin document, and it will automatically generate this end documents. So it has three main components: document class, begin, and end. So here whatever you write, so for example I write this is my first document and recompile it, and you will see the output here. So this is my first document, as you can see on the right hand side, and you can save its PDF file from here. You can download the PDF file, very easy. So next what I will do, so if you want to write another line, for example this is my first document, and if I write like here, if I write like this, this is the second line. Okay, so let me adjust the screen. Okay, this is the second line, and if I click on recompile, you can see, just wait, and this is my first document, this is the second line. You can see the output here, you can zoom the output. This is my first document, this is the second line. And if you want to create new line, then you will use this double slash. So this, if you use this double slash, and then if you compile it and see, you will see the second line here. This is the second line. Okay, and even you can specify the difference line spacing here. So just click here, and I will use a 30 point line spacing, and if I click on recompile and see, the line spacing between these two lines is 30 point. You can easily see the difference. If you decrease it, and you will see the difference. Okay, so very easy. So far I have discussed the first document class, three main component: document class, begin document and end document. And you can write any text here, and you can recompile, and then you can download the PDF file from here. So very easy. So next what I will do, I will delete this. If you want your text to be in center, you will use begin center. Very easy, begin center. And here you can write, for example, my institute. Okay, and here I will give the spacing. Okay, and if you click on recompile, it is in the center. My institute is in the center. Okay, and suppose here you write certificate, and again recompile it. You can see my institute and then center. Okay, I will explain all how to increase the font size, how to bold the text, how to italic the text in this course later. But for simplicity, let's say I want my text, I want my data in the center, then I will use begin center, my institute. For this is the text, you can write any text here, and then I want to write the line that this is to certify that Mr. Pankaj has undergone a training at this course and is qualified. Okay, now the thing that I am going to explain is the how to center the text. I have already explained begin center. How to right align the text, and how to left align the text, I will explain here. So for right alignment, you will use begin, and here you will use flush right, begin flush right, and you will end this end flush right. Okay, and here you will write the text. So for example, you will write like this, the director, my institute. And if you recompile it, you can see this is in the center. This is the text that I have written. This is to certify that, and begin flush right, and it is on the right side. And you can again give some spacing. You can give the spacing, for example, 0.50 centimeter, and if you recompile it, you will see the space here. And it is the text, the director, my institute, is on the right side. And if you want the text on the left side, just let me copy and then paste it. And now I will use, instead of flush right, I will use flush left, flush left I will use, and here I will write a different text, let's say regards, and if I click on recompile, yes, okay, and you can see regards is on the left side, my institute and center is in the center, because I am using begin center and center. This text is on the right side, and this regards is on the left side. So far I have discussed how to center the text, how to right align the text, how to left align the text. So far in this video I have explained three main components: document class, begin document, end document, center, flush right, and flush left. In the next part I will discuss how you can bold the text, how you can italic the text, and how you can change the font size, and what are the different parts of the document. I will cover all the concept in this course, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.